Vloggy! Welcome back. This is Dahlia. We're going to the First Americans Museum. First of all, I want to say happy 250th. Can you believe it? 250 years. That is a long time. Congrats, America. Happy birthday. It is July 3rd, and it is also our anniversary weekend. Me and Shapittles. This is the weekend that 4 years ago, I came up to OKC and Shapittles invited me on a date to hang out, and I came out here, and that's kind of where we professed our love to each other and we started dating. So she says I professed my love to her, which no one's asking. So I'm wearing my cute Freedom 250th with the cute blue skirt, and I have my Marc Jacobs jean blue today to match the vibe. And yeah, we're just gonna go actually well, first of all, we're going to the museum. That's important, number one, because they do close early today. Second, we need to go return a painting that I had purchased for my living room transformation. They actually gave us two of the same photo, which I was gonna keep it, but I think we're making a good decision to take it back, because I was like, well, I guess I can have two twin ones, but I think it's best if we go return it and get like the one that I initially wanted. And I guess that's part of learning as you grow. You know, if you buy something, you spend a lot of money on it, you know, go make sure it's right, even if it's not and it's already at your house. You know, do what you can to make sure you get what you ordered, because you spend a lot of money and you work hard to not get what you want when you buy it. So we're going to the museum, and yeah, come hang out with me and Shapittles on our anniversary day. We're also going to our first baseball game. Well, I've been to one before, but we're going to Shapittles' first baseball game and our first one together. Later this afternoon, we're gonna go see the OKC Comets, which should be fun. Anyways, yeah, that is on today's agenda. We will see you when we get to the museum. We're about to go inside. I hope I can take this cute little camera with me. I'm pretty sure. Look how grand this is. We're about to get educated, y'all. So let's go inside. Look how Texas and Mexico used to look.
What one should do when encountering non-Christian people, and that's the seizing and taking of land and territories. And when we think about some of this assimilation tactics that were employed after all of the trauma of war, exposure, displacement, disease, that led us to having only a small percentage of Native people surviving, there was a displacement of taking us away from those things that we found life in, that we found the power in, our spiritual practices, our ceremonies, the things that allowed us to overcome all of life's obstacles for generation after generation.
really sad too. I'm learning a lot of the Native Americans and how awful they were treated in their own space, and it's a really sad place, but it's very informative, and I think it's important for everyone to come out here and learn about the Native Americans. Oh, his face is cute. Look at that face. Clay, this is made out of clay. Here is perfect. We just finished walking through the museum. We had a really good time and we learned a lot, and yeah, let's see what we'll talk more about it later because I'm still in the museum. But yeah, we'll talk about it more when we get back. We're about to go, we're about to leave and return the picture and do some other things. So thank you for coming with us to the museum. I hope you come here yourself at one point. It's a very nice museum. Entry fee is like $20. It's not terrible. They do have some discounts for officers and military, so if you want to come, you should definitely come. It's a beautiful space right next to Okana. Look at that. 10/10 recommend. Hi friends. So I'm back at home. I'm actually pretty rushed right now. Next is a baseball game. We are going to the Oklahoma City Comets. I'm just gonna like touch up my makeup a little bit. Be down right here. This is a really bad angle, but we're in a rush, so no big deal. This is gonna be my first baseball game, at least in Oklahoma City. Super excited. Yeah, I'm just gonna blot my makeup on. What do you think of the game so far?
The hot dog was good. The hot dog was good. HTO was good. Yeah.
So HTO and the hot dog are good. Check mark from Shapittles. I got a unsweet peach from HTO. So delicious. Yeah, I don't.
It smells like what now?
Yeah, it smells like fish. This little hand thing smells like tuna fish sandwich, like a hot tuna fish sandwich left outside all day. That. Yeah. Yeah, look at this hot dog. cozies, as you can tell. I am ready to relax. What a crazy, eventful day. That was so much fun. I haven't been out like that in such a very long time. Let me turn this down. I haven't been out like that in such a very long time, and I just had so much fun being out with my shapiddles and doing fun stuff. And I'm going to the baseball game, walking around downtown, looking at the fireworks show. It was literally the best time ever. So now it's time to relax a little bit and sit down and enjoy the damn day. Enjoy the night, watch some YouTube, and call it a night. So good night. See you tomorrow. Woo, it's gonna be another big eventful day tomorrow. So see you then.